have used your therapy device and now you would like to know all the details about your therapy success? Open your user account or connect your therapy device with Prisma app. The results of your last therapy period are displayed automatically under This Week. Under History, therapy data of all weeks before are displayed clearly from week to week in form of bar charts. You get a comprehensive overview of all therapy results for each week. Additionally, you get an overview of the average therapy adherence in each week. So you would like to know what the actual meaning of therapy duration, AHI or leakage is? Press on the terms and receive explanation and further information. For example, therapy duration, AHI, or leakage. Going back to this week and scroll downwards, you get a summary of the therapy results of the day, the so-called daily card. In the daily card, you receive detailed information to each therapy day. Are all sleep disordered breathings treated effectively? Go to Details in the daily card and get the answer and further information, for example, to your sleep quality, the so-called deep sleep indicator. To create your own personal therapy diary, you can give feedback to each night how you felt in the morning. Use the emotion pillows by expressing your feelings. And save your report. When you go to History, by pressing the stars, you receive detailed results and personal tips for an even better therapy effect. So you would like to set your own goals in regards to therapy usage? Under This Week, go to the upper field and set your own personal weekly goals. This supports you in implementing the therapy into your daily routine. The usage of your therapy device, as long and as often as possible, should become your normal daily habit. Define how long you would like to use your therapy device on a weekly average during the night. In that way, you can improve your therapy effectiveness. Each week on Sundays, the goal is recalculated. The higher the usage on average last week, the higher your new goal. And now, have fun with Prisma app.